This 90-acre field of winter cereal rye was planted in early September of 2019, immediately after a harvest of certified organic oats. The winter cereal rye was drilled into tilled soil at a rate of 3 bushels per acre. Winter cereal rye, especially at this high seeding rate, is known to have allelopathic properties that can inhibit the growth of certain weed species. Winter cereal rye can also reduce compaction from previous tillage practices. This crop is being utilized both for weed control and soil building in preparation for the 2020 cash crop of certified organic beans. This winter cereal rye broke dormancy in late March and has been growing ever since, despite cool spring temperatures. There is no significant weed growth. This winter cereal rye is nearly 5 feet tall and is shedding pollen. There is no significant weed growth. The rye is being crimped with a front-mounted roller crimper and a crop of organic beans planted in 15-inch rows with a no-till planting drill. Roller crimping at this growth stage can effectively kill the rye to prevent competing with the cash crop. Planting soybeans into freshly crimped mat of rye maximizes the allelopathic properties of the rye. The minimal disturbance of the soil using a no-till planter saves moisture, preserves soil structure, and reduces germination of new weed seeds. Soybeans are nearing full pod formation and setting seed. Plant height and population is normal. There is no significant weed growth. No inputs or field activities since planting. Harvest is October 1st, 2020. Yield is approximately 58 bushels per acre. Beans are very clean.